How to log out from Krea AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Krea AI account. In order to do so, first of all, make sure you are logged in to your Krea AI account. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device. And in the search bar here, type in Krea.ai. Now tap on the go button in order to search for it. Soon after doing that, you will reach to the official website of Krea AI. Here, if you are logged into your account, you'll be able to see the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Simply tap on your profile icon and then a pop-up will appear. Here in this pop-up, you'll be able to locate the sign out option. Simply tap on the sign out and then within a while, you will be signed out or log out from your Krea AI account. So this is how you can log out of Krea AI account in any of your devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.